Let's talk salsa. Salsa Verde. Today I'm going to attempt to make a proper salsa verde. From what I understand, roasted tomatillos. I hope I'm saying that right. Never bought these before. I've never cooked with these before, so I'm trying something new. That's what this channel is all about, trying things I've never done before. So I will make mistakes, and I even will pronounce them incorrectly in some cases. This is a tomatillo. This is a serrano pepper. We have some cilantro, a yellow onion, a lime, fresh garlic. This is all you should need to make a salsa verde. And from what I understand, you roast your tomatillos, your serrano, and your garlic, and your onion, and then blend it all up, and it should come out to a really tasty sauce. So this is what I'm going to try today. And here is the finished tomatillo sauce. Salsa verde. And with some chips on the side. Pretty good if I say so myself. It's got a little bit of heat. I can really taste the lime. Those tomatillos, I'm not really sure what they're supposed to taste like. But if I'm tasting the proper thing here, they're really good. The garlic, I'm really roasting these vegetables. I think it makes all the difference in the world. I can't stop eating it. I'm Buck, Salsa Verde, in Buck's Kitchen. If I can do it, anybody can do it.